can make money very easy and very simple by creating digital products. If you don't know what digital products, these are products that you can create and put them online without even printing them by yourself. For example, in this case, we are going to create a planner. Yes, and this case, we are targeting women. I always tell you, you should always have a niche. For example, if you want to say to create a daily planner for girls, you can go for a daily planner for boys, for men, for busy moms. So it depends on you. But in this case, I want to show you using a daily planner for women. And as you can see, these are all planners that you can see on Amazon. But I would advise you use do your research. Yes, if you can access tools like BookBoat, but it's on a paid version, yes, you can use that one to make your research, or you can use Publisher Rocket. But if you don't have, you can use tools like ChatGPT. They have free plan. You can use tools like DeepSeek. Yes, I've been talking about those tools in my videos. If you've been following them, I have already done my research and I know what I want. And I will pin a video which will show you how to go with that, because I've already done a video showing you how you can create a book for Amazon KDP. But in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a daily planner for women. And the good thing about this, you can sell this your product one time on two platforms. You can create one product, sell it on Amazon KDP, and another platform that I'm going to show you. So since I already know what I want and I've done my research already, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my designing software so that I can show you, so that we don't take too much time in this video. But if you are new to this channel, my name is Gloria and I talk about different ways on how you can make money online even if you're a beginner. So if you feel that that's what you want, don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yes, and if this video is giving you value, don't forget to comment good job in the comment section below. So let's go to our designing software, and as always, I'm going to use Canva. If you don't know what Canva is a designing platform or a website you can use to design a lot of things. You can use it for your digital products, you can use it for your YouTube, creating thumbnails, and so many other things. Yes, for this example, if you want to create your journal, we will come here where it says create design. Yes, so since we already know the measurements of our design, you come here and put in the measurements of your design, which is 8.5 times 11, and we are going to do that in inches. Yes, so this is how our page is going to look like. If you want to start designing this from the scratch, yes, maybe you have some knowledge about designing this, then that's good. If you want to design it from the scratch, you want to make it super original, your own, that's also a good way to go, and I would advise you to do that if you have the time and you know something about designing this. But if you don't have the time, there is also another way around where we can come here still on Canva and type in the word planner. Yes, so when we come here and type in the word planner, we want to go for a weekly planner. If you want, you can go for a monthly planner. Yes, as I told you, and it's going to show you different designs that you can choose from. For example, these are all designs that you can choose from. And the good thing about this, you don't have to start from the scratch. You just choose one design. When you choose that design, then you can go ahead and change it to your own liking. And the reason why we are changing it, you might be saying, why would I change it? Why don't I just download this and post it already on Amazon KDP and start selling? There you will get into some problems because maybe another person has already used that same design. So that's why we are going to choose one and go ahead and customize it and add it our own vibe and make it feel like it's our own. That's why we are going to change some things, add what we want and remove what we don't want. Yes, I hope you understand me. If you are not understanding, or if you are not getting me, you can put that in the comment section below and I'll get to you. Yes, so the designs you see which have this pro icon, that means you have to upgrade and go to a paid version. But if you don't have money to pay it, don't worry, I got your back. You can still go for those ones which don't have a pro icon, and you can use those ones. Still, it is going to work and it's going to make you money. I mean, thousands and thousands of dollars. Yes, so stick with me up to the end as I'm going to show you everything. So let's click here. When I click here, this is what I chose. I don't know what you want to choose. You can put in the comment section below what you chose. Yes, so I'm going to click here on customize. Yes, so as I've already told you, when we click on customize, we can make this design become our own. Yes, so that means we will not get into any copyright problems, any copyright issues. Yes, so I'll click on customize, and when I click on customize, Canva is going to take me to a page where I can change this page and turn it to my own and make it feel good and change the colors and change everything. Yes, so this is how our page looks so far. But if you want to change it, for example, if I want to change this word which says weekly planner, maybe I don't like the font, then I'll come here and click where it says dreaming out loud. This is the name of this font. But if I want to change it, so I'll click on that, and Canva will bring me fonts here which are on a free version so that I can use this one. You can come, we can click on that one if that's what you want. Yes, so as you can see now, our font is already changed. Yes, as you can see now, it's bigger. But if you want, you can leave it the way it was. So if we also want to change this box, which is black, remember we are creating a journal for women, and in most cases women love pink, so we can change that from black and put pink, some pink, to make it look cute. Yes, I don't know if you love pink, if there's any color that you feel you are in love with and you think people will like it, you can go with that. Yes, but me, I chose pink. But if you want to change this, you can go ahead changing it and playing around with it. Yes, for example, if I also want to change the the text colors for my days, I can still go ahead and change them, all of them. As you can see now, before, all of them, they were in black. As you can see, Monday was in black, Tuesday was in black, Wednesday was in black, but as I speak now, they are all in pink. Yes, they are all in pink. So as you can see, they are all in pink right now. Yes, as you can see, Monday is in pink, Tuesday is in pink, Wednesday is in pink, Thursday, like that. Yes, so you can go ahead changing according to your like. You can change to blue, change to pink, change to green. For example, if you want to change this borderline or to make it more board, or to change the color for the board, or maybe you want to make it more black. Yes, we can also go ahead with that and make it more darker. Yes, or we can increase the borderline from that to this. As you can see now, I've changed this to be more black. But if I want to reduce the borderline weight, then I can leave it like this. As you can see that one, then I can go do the same thing for all of my boxes. Yes, so as you can see, this is now a little bit more border. Then I can go ahead and change this and make it the same like this one. So as you can see, you keep on changing it like that. Just make sure that you are consistent. Yes, but if I want to leave them like this, the way others are, that's also good. So it depends on you. So I can still go ahead and change all of them and increase the border weight to that, like that. Yes, so far that's how our journal is coming up. Yes, I will do that for the all of the boxes. Yes, so that I can have consistency and to make everything look similar. Yes, I'll also do it for the other box like that. Yes, so that's how it looks like. So this is how it looks like so far. Even this one down, I'll increase the borders weight. Yes, so that's how our journal looks like. See how now it's transforming. The way it was before is not the same way it is now. Now we are making this design to be much more of our original. So If I want to change this element, which is a heart, then I can change it also to color pink. But if you want, you can leave, put it to white or any other color you want. So if you want to add more elements to your design, for example, you want to add some cute pictures of women, then we can come here and search women. Yes, or you want to add in some coffee. Maybe a woman wants to use their daily planner or weekly planner in the morning. For example, as you can see, these are graphics. So you can come here and see what you feel is good for you. Yes, so you can see this girl, this woman, all of them. So you can add in something if you want. For example, this woman who is in the flower, I like that one. Then I can go ahead, click on that woman, add that woman into my journals. I can put her maybe here. Yes, for example, there. Yes. So as you can see, it's giving it a new vibe and a new look. Yes, for example, I want to add in a cup of coffee. Yes, so I can come here and search for the word coffee. Yes, you come here and type in coffee. So Canva will bring you different elements that you can use. I can use cup of coffee if that's what you want. So you can go ahead and do that. So as you can see, they have given me different styles of cups of coffee. So I'll go ahead and choose any. Yes, remember those pictures which have this pro there on a paid plan. Yes, so I can go ahead and maybe add in this cup of coffee to my design like that. Maybe they are planning their week as they are sipping some coffee. Yes, or I can add in this. So let me add in this one. Yes. Let me add in this one. Yes, so you can go ahead and also add that to your planner. For example, maybe I put it up there. Yes, up. So as you can see like that. So as you can see, now it's coming up and it's looking different. It's not like the way we copied it. Maybe you want to add some flowers. Let's go ahead and add some flowers. Yes. Let's add some flowers. I'll come here and type in the word flowers. So I'll add in some flowers. So it depends on you what you want. So these are my flowers here. Yes, so as you can see, I can click on the graphics and add more flowers. So these are all of beautiful flowers. You want, you can go with the pink. You want, you can go with the black one. For example, let me go with this black one. And I'll put it in the corner, reduce its size like that. Yes, you want, you can also change it to turn to your own liking. Maybe switch it like to face like that. Yes, so you can rotate it or you put it there in the corner like that. When you are designing, make sure you don't go outside the boundaries, because if you go outside the boundaries, Amazon KDP will tell you to go ahead and resize your book. So far this is what we have. You want, you can take your time adding more elements, adding more things to make it look beautiful, or you can go ahead and delete what you don't want and add what you want. So to finish this journal, remember we are creating 120 pages. As I told you already, supposed to do your research and know the measurements for your journal and the pages that you are creating. I will leave the link of a video in the description below, and I'll pin it also on this video to show you how you can do that research and know how many number of pages you are going to do and everything. So I'll just click here to view how this will look like. So this is how it will look like. Yes, so what I'm going to do now, since I want more pages, I'm going to click on duplicate. Yes, so I'm going to duplicate this page. So when you duplicate the page, another page will come out. When you duplicate it, another page will also come out. So that's how you are going to get many pages to fill your book or to fill your journal. So you can go ahead and duplicate that. Yes, now as you can see so far, we have duplicated about 5 pages. So as you can see, if we click here on view in grid, so this is how it looks like, our journal looks like so far. So what you want, if you want, you can go ahead and duplicate up to the pages that you want your journal to be. As I told you, if you are doing maybe 120 pages, then you have to duplicate up to 120 pages. But because I don't want the video to get any longer, so I've shown you how you can go ahead and create this. So you take your time, design it according the way you want, and you go ahead and you make one page, then you go ahead and duplicate it the way you want. Or if you want to add something, maybe like daily affirmations, maybe like some good quotes, then you can go ahead, create pages for that. Maybe go to tools like ChatGPT, they can give you quotes that you can add into your daily planner or your weekly planner or your monthly planner. You can either create weekly planners, you can create daily planners, you can create monthly planners, you can also even create planners for a full year. So it depends on you and what you want. Yes, or if you have an audience, what you think your audience wants. Yes. So after you have created your daily planner, then you just come here and download or share your book, or you click here where it says download. Remember, you're supposed to have all the pages, and when you click on download, don't download on PNG because it's not accepted on Amazon. You are supposed to download where it says PDF print. Yes, so that's where you click and download your book. And when you have finished downloading your book, then you come here on KDP cover calculator so that you can calculate your cover according to what Amazon wants. You come here on the cover and choose the book that you are printing. If you are printing hardcover or paperback, then you go ahead and do that. And all of these things, you are supposed to know them before you start designing. I'm going to link a video which is going to show you all of that process because I've done a detailed video about that already. Yes, you put in your book type, the reading direction, the measurements, the interior, and the page count. Then you go ahead in Canva, design your cover, and after that, the next step is to go download your book on Amazon. And you can still also come here on Etsy and sell the same book that you have made in Canva. As you can see, these people are doing it already. Yes, so these planners, they take them from Canva and they bring them here on Etsy and they sell them. So you can go ahead and do this, yes, and sell it also on Etsy if you want to make multiple streams of income. Yes, so if this video has given you value, don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. See you in the next one.